let's get started. Yay! Yay! Yay, Lulu, yay!
Welcome everybody to another 2 Minute Freakin Crafts.
I'm here with my daughter Lucy. And we are working on continuing our series of custom Rainbow Brite Funko Pops.
Today we're working on Indigo and Starlight.
Okay, so Lucy wants some yellow. Yellow. And maybe a little more yellow than that. And some pink. And pink. Those are two good colors, yellow and pink. How do you think? Okay, and then she needs a brush. Alright, here you go. Go have a good time. Yay! So we're gonna start by sort of doing the touches, finishing touches on Starlight. He's getting close to being done, but not quite there yet. You can see I've got most of his rainbow mane taken care of. I need to touch it up.
Oh, rainbow. Wait, pop it.
Yeah, I do need some yellow. Can I borrow some from you? Yellow! Yeah, I'm gonna borrow some yellow.
Oh, yellow submarine. Yellow submarine, yeah.
There's some places where the wrong color got put in the wrong place. No. You're not painting on it, remember? Oh, Lucy, you gotta paint over the thing, remember? You make pretty colors over there. Do you want some other colors? Do you want some purple? You want some purple? Purple? I got all sorts of purple over here.
That purple, the other purple, the other purple, not that purple.
Oh! Can I get you some purple too? Oh, there you go. That'll be good. Alright. Touch up the yellow. Okay, I don't need purple on here, honey. I don't need purple on here. We already talked about this. What? You want to help?
I want to help.
Can't. You can. No, he doesn't need. He's white there. Right? Yeah. See, we're making this guy. See this guy? See how he's white, and then he has to color his hair. White horse with rainbow colored hair. That's Rainbow Brite. Rainbow Brite. Okay, be nice to it. Be nice to the card. Yeah?
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Okay, don't. Honey, please don't touch it. You're gonna knock the camera over and it's not break the camera. Lucy, don't touch it, please. Where is she? You know not to touch the camera. Hello. Alright. They're a little closer now. I can see a little more what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to bring it around. Bring it around town.
Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town.
Okay, gotta remember where I've recently been painting. So I don't end up touching it accidentally before it's dry. Also, really helpful, don't have little children bumping into you while you're painting delicate lines.
same color as the skirt?
Hmm?
Are the bows the same color as the skirt?
The bows are. Same as that pink, yes.
Okay. Oh. So you want me to rinse it out and then use
I
white?
would say, since you just painted this, let it dry a little. Get some of this, some of the dark purple.
Dark purple.
And you can touch up any place that you
Right here.
Dark purple. Okay.
Dark purple goes where?
So like that little white dot right next to the thing, that's supposed to be dark.
Oh!
Okay. Alright. So I'm gonna wait a little bit until that dries, and then this might be dry now, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so use the white for the star. And for the belt, but I wait until that
I actually would do this now. I'm kind of wanting
Okay, we need some brown then. Where's the brown? Brown.
We're like do it there.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Don't get a whole dollop like last time.
That's much less than we got the last time. Last time was like.
It's like just. So what do you have brownie?
Just try to put it out and see if you can out something else. It was the tan with the
Yeah,
caramel,
I think that was it.
the mocha stuff.
Yeah, you call it mocha, so.
Well, maybe this is. Hey, that's classic caramel, and then there was something called. Oh, Brite and mocha. That's it. Mix these two together to make her skin.
I think I'm just gonna
Just mix a little bit. Lucy, back to visit. Okay, don't I'm painting with that. Can't take it out of my hand. How's it look to you? The like mixing color is to have the two separate little puddles and then mix in the middle, so you're not mixing completely the two colors. So you still have some of the other kind if you need to add more. She's got me. She got me. Oh. Okay, Lucy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Whatever, you love the kisses. You're welcome. You really love the kisses. Okay, so yeah.
I got it.
I fixed it.
Victory screech!
My little Lucy, my little Lucy.
Mommy.
Ah, my little Lucy. Alright, okay. I think Starlight is mostly done. Except for we gotta go back and fix his star. Yeah, there you go. Maybe touch up a little bit of the orange right here. I think she's turned out really well. I've really enjoyed this one. It's been a lot of fun. But yeah, the key to doing a good custom of a character is finding a base body that has all the right elements. Yeah, with her, she already had the pigtails. They have them the right kind of pigtails. And she already had the black hair, which isn't a hard thing to change, but I thought that was kind of nice that she already had black hair. We had to change her skin color because she was much lighter. She was more of a tan before. Now she looks like indigo.
Oh, I'm so relieved.
I'm adding a little bit of the white trim to her pants. Again, it's a little different than the actual picture is because that's kind of how I decided to do it. Again, it's, when it's your custom thing, you can kind of change little things in here and there. It'll still look like the character you're looking for, but it's your interpretation of it. So, yeah. Well, thanks for stopping by again, guys. This is all for this episode. We got a lot done, and we'll have to continue next time working on our indigo. But until then, this is Too Many Freaking Crafts.
You're ready, brother.
Bye.